Nigeria failed to work, and Nigeria is not likely to work. So what I'm showing you right now that you can never enjoy right and direct where it is all happening is also a free Wi-Fi. I've connected to the free Wi-Fi from the Tottenham football ground, which is also great. And I will be switching the Wi-Fi in a minute for those of you on the TikTok, so bear with us in case there's a bit of flick. So once again, it is what it is. We have to do what we have to do. It's the London game 2025 NFL, all happening right here in the United Kingdom on the Koikimedia channel, as we would like to appreciate. How far have you traveled for the game today? From Switzerland. Yeah. Thank you so much. Did you hear that? They've traveled all the way from Switzerland. An amazing welcome to London. We'd like to say thank you so much to those that are watching. And once again, this is Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorsteps as NFL is all happening today, the 5th day of the month. If I may ask you, how far have you traveled down this morning?
I traveled from Italy.
From Italy?
Yeah, from North Italy by Venice.
So what are you expecting out of the game today?
Oh, just expecting, since the quarterbacks are like younger, just a defensive game and a close game.
And we say, welcome to London.
Welcome to London.
Welcome to London. Thank you so much. As Koikimedia bringing, he has traveled all the way from its document, and this is exactly what we're saying. How far have you traveled this morning? Yeah, thank you so much. Away from Liverpool. How far have you traveled for the game today?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, United States. Thank you so much. Welcome to London.
Go Vikes, go! Score!
That's it. That's it. You had it there. People have traveled. We're trying to get. How far have you traveled down for the game?
Far.
Far, very far. How far have you traveled down for the game today? Oh, you're local. Okay, thank you so much, the locals. We say thank you so much to those that have arrived. It's a very busy one. It's Koikimedia. People have traveled from Australia, from New Zealand. We've had Italy. We see if we can get more people. We're live also on TikTok. If you want to join us on TikTok, all the name is Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. How far have you traveled down for the particular Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps? As we say, wow, very beautiful heart. Ohio. Welcome to London. Thank you so much. You had it there from Ohio. A lot of Americans are into this particular game. Once again, you can join us on TikTok, and we are live and direct on the Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. A fantastic game we're expecting, and it seems that the Vikings are eager into the game. Again, it is what it is.